get in here. I'll get out and look.
Yeah.
Isn't that swordfish one? The skeleton one? No, I actually like that one.
Well, she was back. One looks like President Roosevelt.
The one on the right hand side?